Dom Kumano akasa kakra. Yentie wo mu kakra.
The government must immediately cease describing a nationwide power crisis as a planned maintenance program or a series of routine transformer upgrades. Ghanaians are not fooled. The lights are out because this government failed to implement the recovery plan it inherited, not because of engineering schedules. Implement the ESRP without further delay. The Minister of Energy must appear before the full House and brief members on the current state of Ghana's generation and transmission capacity, the financial obligations outstanding to IPPs, the status of the ESRP, and this government's credible, costed, and time-bound plan to end doomsday. Clear outstanding IPP obligations immediately. Commission and publish a national infrastructure safety audit.
Where ye Dom Kumano, Odimunyamfo Adoma Kone di omanim. Na enyamakane ho nsem no. De bia ya na meka. Jeff pick me way. Hwe dumso no. Eka obia o. Ai, dumso no. Eka obia. Yedum kane anu a sebe waya eko MPP ni dan mu no enso. De eko NDC ni dan mu so enso. Enti wunim eya na me pesen ka national issues base ya. Unse dumso maka ho asem wa hapa. Menim se wa follow me a. Ya pushi aban ya bo na chi pa se no ma bi wo ho a se wo mu edikan ye no kane kura no a ebi ti se transformer issues wo mu bai na aban dada no akra transformers dada egu a yesi bia kapot ni ade na e kire wo se there is a sign se bibi atochima na nka se wo mutimi acting tem tinke nei kia unique transformer ho nkomo biem ebi anke ya install fadodo no a because aban dada no kokra over 3000 buy no installations wo mutimi ye about 600 about 600 wo mutimi anye nyina etino e kire se nka aban foforo buy ye no a in 2025 no nke de aggressively bia 3 months 6 months bi betumi aye bia ne ade a ene no so no konkon ho kokwasa saa me beduru de ye duru ya transformers na ye mre no ebi asa je agukura na ade a ya na ha mene se eya anoma bia ehia ye asoman sei no na yama no eteki political tone eno na mekoka na me mfa so obedi matem upedi matem nyamasem. But you see, we want solutions. But then yet they ever score political points. Yesterday, I listened to the minority very well. Some of the callings they were making, I mean, say abino betu na mone yetimi ahwesi binyankania were legitimate. I agree. But when the impression is created as if say na situation no aye so much better kanino a chese no how bia ni wonani ena o how no ebesia eya na emigonwa bebre. So what was the reason for transformers na e cry no under the previous government? It means there was a challenge. But how many na mutimi install ye mutimi install it do no a? So you left a challenge there. Eba net da energy sector make sure say fuel na minority ni gina wona omunko tua $200 million yen fanyi fuel no na omunko ye say no mfanya yi no. You left a debt Jeff Fatu Sumami. You left a debt of 70 billion Ghana cedis and kania ka net da ho as of December 2024. By December 2024 the energy sector's debt had ballooned to 70 billion, and that's reported by Air Mountain Ghana. Amanyo semunti nesi ya tunya makania buo mukura ya antum ye brabra swa ni adentina eka enkania no aye no ano ehun sika no ayese yeje na nkania buo no ye tutum mamanfo etwia na ye dikonya yi no na aban no because ye bekwa abatu munti na ye ntutum yentutumtina ekano many power sector no, and we went to 70 billion Ghana cedis. transmission and distribution infrastructure na no so aka ebi ne transformers ya meka ye a eba ye ya yentimi install even half of the numbers a ye kofa ba ye no ansa na 2024 end no ESLA any ECG losses are no making. In fact, ECG nkwa bo maika sa from 2017 to 2023. ECG edumekuo bo maika 24.63 billion Ghana cedis. That is the problem with the power sector those times. Etiana, I mean, hypocritical. Say you see people pretending as if things were clearly better, and how be anyhow. As I'm see, let's find solutions. Let's not play politics. Let's not play politics with this one. Collection losses in Kwan reach 40%. ECG can no bonkwa. Bana ye won penifo etiso ne ye won ministers. No manage under the previous government. What happened? Tinimdiye no ho a ka we ye beda. So I found it more strange say Ubehu say as you play politics as if say things were so much better. IPPs in kwa ka na de omunyagro billions of cedis. In fact, Nana Danko Akufo-Addo confirm yebra or can the last of the nation address any or say and Ghana web present was say President Nana Addo Nana Akufo-Addo has stated that his government kept the energy sector's legacy debt at $2.5 billion, the same level it inherited. The same level it inherited. It Eka Akufo-Addo betro yeno. Or say all corners I can one way jama into one solve cano. And the other ne a be did to say like something and KB can they kasa so me buy me tia canning in our grammar. Ne can be anyhow. I don't know when we say no. Are you getting it? That should be the logic. But this is a Akufo-Addo in 2024. The last State of the Nation address. Or say he's not leaving us with doom so, but he's leaving us with the same level of debt here. Or say about that Danny Jaman. It means say, Sa can one a day anymore. A buy win so buy and also no suchian will face that same challenge. And currently, per the minority say aka 700 million binia deno. It means a 2.something billion na Akufo-Addo say omweja ho as same as a a buy na between 1.7 billion every. And this is telling us say, I mean problem number. Let's find solutions. But when you turn it to politics, the reality of the issues, any means to actually deal with the issue. But a company said, oh, they best score political points. Then we are spoiling the whole conversation. And that's the uncomfortable truth. Na yenko din komo ena wunim se